Get started by pulling out your dirty kicks. Prep your sneakers by removing the shoelaces. Mix SHOEGR sneaker cleaning solution into water. Dip the soft brush in the solution. Work it on the entire upper surface of the sneaker. Wipe it clean with SHOEGR microfiber towel. Whip out the medium brush and repeat the process on the midsole. Wipe the sneaker clean once again. For resistant stains, just dip the microfiber towel in the solution and scrub the dirt with it. Finally, use a hard brush and scrub the outsole. You know the drill. Wipe them clean. Never forget the laces. Simply soak them and wipe them. Cleaning sneakers is that easy.